High Seas Treaty enters force. A landmark step for ocean protection for decades, the vast expanse of the high seas, the ocean areas beyond national jurisdiction, has operated as a largely ungoverned space vulnerable to overfishing, pollution, and exploitation. But on January 17th, a pivotal shift occurred. The UN's International High Seas Treaty entered into force, establishing binding international law for participating nations. This agreement marks a crucial step toward coordinated conservation of the world's largest shared resource. The problem with the open ocean, the high seas, cover nearly half the Earth's surface. Yet less than 1% is designated as highly protected. This no man's land, as oceanographer Sylvia Earle described it, has historically lacked effective oversight, allowing unchecked commercial activity. Overfishing is rampant. 82% of commercial fish populations are being depleted faster than they can recover. Existing regulatory bodies, such as the International Maritime Organization and regional fisheries management organizations, operate in silos, failing to address the interconnected threats to marine biodiversity. What the treaty changes, the High Seas Treaty, establishes a new framework for governing this shared space. Rather than replacing existing authorities, it aims to integrate them, focusing on 4 key areas: marine protected areas, MPAs. The treaty enables the creation of a global network of MPAs in the high seas, ensuring ecologically representative protection. This is vital because 2/3 of the oceans lie beyond national boundaries. Environmental impact assessments. All activities with the potential to harm marine ecosystems, like industrial fishing, will now be subject to mandatory assessments, public disclosure, and monitoring. Benefit sharing. The treaty addresses the exploitation of genetic resources from the high seas by ensuring equitable benefit sharing, particularly for developing countries. This includes funding for marine science programs and MPA management. Capacity building. Recognizing the financial and technological barriers faced by many nations, the treaty prioritizes capacity building and technology transfer to ensure equitable participation in governance and enforcement. Why this matters: the treaty doesn't offer instant solutions, illegal fishing won't cease overnight, and ocean warming will continue. But it introduces essential legal and institutional mechanisms for effective protection. The Clearinghouse Mechanism for Environmental Impact reports promotes transparency, allowing scientific review and preventing hidden harms. By addressing the governance gap, the treaty transforms beyond national jurisdiction from a synonym for beyond stewardship into a zone with enforceable rules. The treaty has already garnered 145 nations' ratification, despite the U.S. signing but not ratifying it. This substantial coalition signals a commitment to a new era of ocean governance. The high seas are not just an environmental concern. They are the planet's largest commons and a critical source of genetic information with commercial potential. The treaty seeks to balance exploitation with conservation, ensuring that these shared resources benefit all nations. The High Seas Treaty is a reminder that even in a fragmented world, international cooperation can deliver concrete environmental progress. While challenges remain, this agreement provides a foundation for protecting the oceans, a resource that belongs to everyone.